keep looking at you.
Hey! So, right now we're about to unbox the Apple Watch Gold stainless steel. It's with the sports band version. I've held out on opening this. I just want to film a video and experience it on YouTube with y'all. And I'm excited, so let's do it.
Stuck on your phone, stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. A little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
I can't believe I'm doing this. Whoa. Waited so long for you. Maybe slap straight like this. Right here, I'm just gonna pull them up. Bam. Okay. Bam. We getting closer. Bam. Alright. And you can see, and I open it up, that's what it looks like. Oh yeah. It's like gift paper, baby. Oh, and then when I take this off, the band is right there. In another box. This is what you're gonna see. Ah, yeah. I just had to get the stainless steel because, like, aluminum just wasn't doing it justice, you know? I just knew it could look better, and it would just bug me if I didn't have the better, you know what I mean? Oh, yes. And there it is. And so they got instructions or something. How to set it up with your
iPhone. I don't even know if this can work with like another phone, like Androids and stuff. I doubt it. So anyways, so I just wanted to film the unboxing part, and I'm gonna film, I guess, once I use it for like a week or so, and then probably when they release the EKG, yes, the EKG. So I'm gonna put out another video to see how that works, and maybe I'll practice with the fall. So this is what it comes with: charger, case for the watch. It looks cool, and even the charging has some silver around it, which is different. And this is like my first Apple Watch. I mean, I bought the Series 3 and I've returned it because it just didn't do enough. I had it for like 2 weeks almost. It just didn't do enough for me, and I just wanted to see what Apple was going to come out with next. So I'm really excited about this one. It looks gorgeous. I'm about to unwrap this bad boy. Oh man, I waited so long, guys. Like since last February I wanted an Apple Watch. Ooh, and as soon as you take it out, girl, the thing goes on. You, so sick. I guess I should have taken the strap up too. But, jeez. Look at that. Okay, yeah, you want to see this part. Wow. And then on the back, it's like a diamond. Alright, and then it's asking me to pair it and whatnot.
Slide on now. Ow. Wow. Wow. Slide on now. Ow. Oh.
Ooh. And it's like a tan kind of color. It looks more gray, but in the store it felt like it had more of a, you know, like a warmth to it. So we got the 2 bands. It comes with 2 bands. This is for the smaller wrist, which will be me. My wrist is very small, so I'll be changing that one with. I'll be using that with this, and then just save that. And yeah, it just shows you how to put it on.
Alright, let's put it on. Put it on now, roll. Oh my gosh. And you just slide it in. Awesome. And then you slide in the other side. Okay, flip it around. Okay, so almost there.
Is anyone else out there like right-handed, but like you like to wear it on your right hand? I don't know, I just want to wear it on my right hand because like I'm probably gonna go like that more. We'll see. I'm gonna try to wear it on my left just because that's the proper thing to do. I suck at putting these on. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so amped. Yes, I'm from Toronto. Yes, we say amped. I don't know if anyone else does, but wow, it's gorgy. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Do you see that? Oh, me.
I went with the sports band over the Milanese watch because this is something I would use every day, and Milanese only for special occasions. The Milanese version was just not worth it when I'd probably have to spend to buy a new sports band. I can just get a fancier band off Amazon for a lot cheaper. And I love it because it goes well with my skin tone. Oh my goodness, yes, I care about that. Like, yo, when I bought my guitar, I chose a color that would go good with my skin tone. Like, I care about that stuff. When I bought my iPhone, I chose like the golds, you know. I'm like that. I care about that stuff. Anyways, it goes so good with my skin tone. Oh yeah, it's like gorgeous. It's like we're meant to be, like made to be. Oh, it feels so nice. Thank you, Apple. This was beautiful. I was waiting for this. Okay. And one thing that I like also about this color is that it kind of goes with my iPhone too. Like, my iPhone is an antique white, and like that's kind of the color of the band. I think they go really well together. It's pretty lit. I'm excited. I'm stoked. Lego. I've just had it on for a little bit now, and I don't know, it feels heavy, and this is coming from someone that hasn't worn an Apple Watch for like a long period of time before. So like I don't usually wear a watch unless it's like a really skinny one. If I'm going out, I might wear one, but like I can feel the difference considering that I don't wear watches. You know, I definitely feel like there's something weighing my head down. With this being heavy, this is why I feel like I should wear it on the right side, because I feel like my, you know, my right hand is stronger. I'll be able to take on the extra weight better than the left hand. But then again, maybe it's like, you know, my left hand about to level up to the right hand, you know, with the extra weight. It could work out like that, but I don't know. I feel like my right hand would be as evident because like this hand's the stronger hand. So, but man, left hand is leveling up. I'll just keep it on there for now.
I know those rappers when they talk about ice, and I got ice on my wrist. I can relate in the songs now. Yeah.
And like, it's just really nice to look at from here. The view, it just looks good. It looks even, I don't know, it looks big. I've tried on the Series 3 and stuff. I have 40mm. I don't know, it looks pretty big. It's nice. The edge to edge is really, it's prominent, and like it just looks, it looks stellar. It looks like a stellar piece of work there, Apple. Looks nice. Good job. The silver one, it's more obvious to see scratches. I don't know about the gold version yet, if the scratches are as evident as the silver stainless steel. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'll probably film some stuff after I use it for a week and just see how life with us together is. I'm sure it's gonna be splendid. Mwah, you know, we're gonna be two peas in a pod. It's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned. See you soon. Alrighty.
You shouldn't have. It's like I got a ring or something, and I'm just like using my hand unnecessarily. That's what this watch is doing to me. Think I don't wrist.
Stuck in your zone.